Can you please introduce yourself?
I'm Mambala Sise from Brikang Kabafita. I'm the assistant head coach.
Okay, Mangala. As we are seeing, you people are about to play the Super Cup final against Manduar. Okay, how does it feel to be in this?
I think it's a very important game for us. As you can see, every team wants to play a Super Cup. And you need to develop yourself to be in the Super Cup. So we achieved that in last year. So we are here again to play the Super Cup. This is not the first time to play the Super Cup. If I can recall, I think this is the second time to play the Super Cup. So I think we are very glad to play this cup. Yeah, for sure.
Your opponent Manduar, they were the year before last year's league champions, and last year they won the knockout. So what are your thoughts on them?
Yeah, Manduar is a very good side. They have a very good side, and then I can say we are not afraid of them, but as a champion, we play as a champion. We definitely need to play as a champion. So to play with them is a pleasant for us. Yeah.
What are your strategies going into this game?
What else?
Your strategies going into this game?
To attack and score goals. Because I know that to concede it will be a problem. It will not be a problem for us. So we are here to score goals. And then my attacking players, I know them how they are prepared for this game.
Are there any specific areas where you believe your team has an advantage?
Yes, of course. That's in my midfield. They are very creative. As you can see, even my friends, I have a very good hold on them. In terms of my midfield department. So when it comes to forward, scoring, it will not be a problem for us. Yes.
Okay, what message do you have for the fans?
Yeah, for the fans, I know that this is a very good occasion for them. They prepared this for a long time, of period. So we are here to play for the fans, to make them happy, and the whole of the Kabilo, because the elderly people they are always there for us. They prayed for us, what they can do, they have already done that. Yes, we are very happy with that.
Okay, coach. Last season, mo yajale altada atuli knockout final oda. Do alla ligo man be diara ke mara ali atala knockout final. So you must say mo fala mole kasiko ko popili.
Alle como to yala odi last year mole ko play le mat ni ko play ligo man be dia. So last year ko ko play dana yamol bude. Nda ko play dala no. Yeah, nda ko play ko ntalam ko baran play da. So this year so man ko atta de odi so mo play. Na daga murna abari ko min nalo ko bolno may inshallah ala sunna ko boda la yeah.
So atole mo preparation si pala ke pwede into this year.
Because some more about it, yeah, because I never so this because last and I'm still going to this so last another level today, so this our because okay, the whole day I it idea you count as most meta so because the mental inshallah
so ani mingen daga play wala Kabafita di ani mo ngajala last ya Kabafita ye game la so ndago good league kali do lekere champions of the league so ila alla opponents so liye nyaadi
alle from boy won ko len debul baake because I know Kabafita very well. I know Kabafita very well because help could not play no kan ila play avec captain na play no kan division ko no man kan problem di no understand so last and the ko bola mbudi so this is the long ko bola para be mbudi ni ala so no yeah.
Sayang atol Allah muna Allah game strategy Allah game plan
we game plan wala kara ka bolo muda ka bolo hold because the philosophy move yeah ka bolo muda na ka process na pungo bolo score yeah attack score mana defend na na bolo da mana score the game wa na we definition mo wala bolo score na mana yeah
so nyindi ko this year ani nawetano ila timo comme ça yela fito ya nyaadi la nyin nawetano kon
this year bunga timo fito hajibe nyaado na le majibe ko mai dale haile bunga hajibe wole hajibe wole but
tadi mo sere men pala pam sole
pam sole no ko da bi konton na pam du konton na bi gaile no ko da ko so ko no tabi nga bona je mo bi na so ko no kana dia mu ne ko da tan je mo ba wi na nyaami So come to Lalo because they will know Lalo, understand. So Minala, Alison Damba Vinale, so come to the Sukan about special number of the only Alison Damba Vinale.
Well, thank you very much. Hello. And already we are seeing the Kabafita players. See them singing. Will be the case after this one. Yes. Yeah, this is beautiful. It's beautiful. Yes, beautiful. Well, there we come. And here comes Kabafita and Manduar. KB, I guess Kabafita are ready. Dressing all red. Thank you, Malan. Malan, thank you. And your team, thank you so much. Yeah, Kabafita are dressed in all red. With Captain Sakamane leading the team. While Manduar wearing white strips, orange pants, and white socks. Third live in the building. The team reps makes everything. So thank you very much. KB, I think alright, is the best. The commencement of the Brikama now at time, Team 24-26. But the big Sam, yeah. So, Manduar, Minister of Information, Dr. Ismail Assise, is the chief guest of Rolo. I mean, he will lead the duties for the handshake. Thank you. The teams to the officials is standard. And immediately after that, I think we got a kickoff. But before that, the national anthem of the Gambia, as the DJ should set the national anthem for us before the kickstart of the tournament. So.
Hey! Papa, hey!
Kevin, you are alive, Kevin. No, Osman, we just want to get the cover from the contingency plan. Actually, plan B. Plan B. After the traditional handshake, because this big hammer for you, it was some days ago, it was hot, sunny and sunny. And now, it is this way. The weather can change anytime. Anytime. This is the blessed land of Brikama. And thank you for the lineup. We can see Honorable Minister, like I said before, the acting president of Brikama Sport Committee, Mr. Isfa Sise, executive members, Samulamin Drame, can see Alvin Kilo. Thank you, Master, for coming. Now start for the national anthem of the first stand. The count of 2-3. DJ, no.
Sorry lah.